Kentucky girl, in the holler she stays, loves her Lord and her simple ways. With dogs by her side and family tight, every dawn she greets morning light. Diamond painting in a cool night breeze, horses running free where shadows freeze. Fairies whisper where the greenery grows, grace in her heart as the river flows. She loves Jesus and gives him praise, grateful for life's graceful faith. Color green, her favorite scene, in a world where faith is king.
Hello everybody out there, hope everyone's doing well today. This is Sherry, KY Philly Diamond Painting and More. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. I'm so glad to have you. Thank you so much for taking precious time out of your day to see what I have to show you. So today I got a 4-pack from Amazon. My last video, I don't know. Honestly, I don't know what I did last, but I've been looking for deals. If I'm going to buy diamond paintings, I'm looking for deals. So I'm on a low buy, and I saw these. Now, I don't know if they're the same price now as when I got them, but I will put the link in the description box below so that if you are interested in these paintings, you can go over and get them for yourself. So let's just get started. So I'm going to pull these over here, and now I'm going to lay them off over here because let's see if I can move just a tad. And okay. So I'm just going to grab one and we'll get started. Yeah, y'all can see some mess in the floor over there. I apologize, but we are up in the craft house, trying to get things sorted, inventoried, and all that kind of good thing. So, oh yes, I know, you just saw a pretty little face here. These actually came rolled and not folded. So that's a good thing. We get just our typical toolkit here. Here, let me do this. There we go. I think that's right. Maybe a little. There we go. Just your typical toolkit here. I'm gonna lift the camera up. Sorry, y'all. I'm just getting my stuff the way it needs to be, I think. And put that off to the side. This is the toolkit. 2 plates of wax. There's a 3-placer on this pin, and there's some baggies and the tray. All you need to diamond paint. And let's see. Look at him. Look at this. So this one has 25 colors. 1 is 1, 2 is 2, all the way down to 8. And 9 through 25 are uppercase letters in alpha order, and then it's added a lowercase m and a lowercase a at the end that is not in alpha order. I may have to go out just a tad so you can see this full painting. I don't know. My setup got moved because we were moving things around in here, and I had to move the table and had to move everything so we could get stuff laid out. But anyway, I thought this one was adorable. Where are we at? Here we are. Go out just a little bit more, I guess. Okay, so you can see the entire canvas there. Little deer in the little bucket with the sunflowers. And this is round drill. He is so stinking cute. Here are the colors. You see those blues, there's some yellows, peachy color here. I'm not sure if that'll show up. Some whites, greens, oranges, but there they are. I'm a little off center. I'm gonna apologize for the setup and for the video, but I think as long as you can see the painting and the colors, I'm not a professional. I'm not a professional in any way, shape, or form, guys. But I thought he was adorable. So these did come in a 4-pack of animals. Let's see what the next one is. Because I don't remember. And that's the truth. I do not remember what we got. Here we go. But I thought they were cute. I know that. Thought they were cute. So I do want to go ahead and mention, in my lives, I have been asked for people to submit recipes. You can send them to myself or to Star. Our emails are listed in the description box. So if you want to send them to us, your favorite recipe, and we're going to put something together, and we'll talk about some more of that stuff on my lives. And then also this past Sunday, we did the kickoff for the March event for the gnomes and the red covered bridge. So submitting the pictures of those, if you will, and you don't mind, you can submit those onto Star's Facebook group. If you're a member of my Facebook group, you can submit them there, or you can submit them to our email, either of our email addresses, and just, you know, let us know what it is, that it's for the event. Same with the recipes. Make sure that you put your name on it or your channel name. Include that so that we can make sure that you're giving credit. You know, if you have a recipe, we want it signed. We want it your name on it. And if you're submitting diamond paintings, we want your name on that as well. The event for the March event for the diamond painting, it doesn't have to be diamond painting. It can be any craft. It can be a draw, you know, a color page. It could be, you could draw something, you know, whatever you want to do. Just whatever you want to do that is related to gnomes. I know there's crochet projects out there that people crochet little gnomes. I mean, it could be a paper craft of gnomes. It could be a journal, whatever you want to submit. Whatever. We are open to all of that. But anyway, so, if you have any questions, please, you know, you can email us. You can leave it in a comment. Whatever you need to do to get a hold of us to ask us any questions you might have. So I just thank you, and I hope that all of you participate in both. I think it'd be fun. But anyway, there you go. So this one, getting back to the diamond painting, this has the 3-placer on the pen. It's 2 plates of wax, some baggies, and of course the tray. And the drills come in a tray. And this is cute. Oh my goodness, this is cute. Really cute. I like this. Look at him. Look at the little donkey in the hat. Now that's cute. That reminds me of me. I'm a hillbilly. Love my animals. Country girl. Love them. This one has 25 colors, and again, this one is 1 is 1, 2 is 2, all the way through 9, or all the way through 8, and then 9 through 23 are uppercase letters in alpha order, and then the last 2 are lowercase m. and a lowercase a. But look at that cute thing. A lot of color blocking up here. There's some confetti in this. It's a nice, it's a nice combination of both. But isn't he adorable? It is a 30 by 40 or a 12 by 16 inch round drill. Let's have a look down at his drill field. I'm not sure if I did that a while ago or not, but we'll do that here. Make sure drill field's clear. I don't see any issues. Really looks good. So we'll come out a little bit. Let's see if we can look at these. I don't know with the glare. And I'm not really sure where that glare is coming from. But there's some greens in this. There's some, it looks, that's 310. Another shade of greenish gray, blues, different color blues there. Look at that goldenrod. Let's see. We'll go from the side here so you can see all those beautiful colors. That's going to be fun. I love this. I love my little donkey. He is adorable. He is adorable. All right, there we go. All right, what's next? I don't know. I don't remember. But again, these all four came in a pack. I'm having trouble getting them out of their sleeves. Oh, this is cute. Give it a roll back. And they're in the buckets. All of them are in these little buckets. That's so cute. Love it. Again, toolkit here. Well, I'll just hold it up. How's that? So here's your toolkit. 3 placer, 2 plates of wax, baggies, and a green tray. And it's a panda bear. Isn't it adorable? In his bucket with the sunflowers. He's so cute. And this one, again, it has 25 colors. So I think they all have 25 colors. And all the legends are going to be the same. And they are all round drill. Just adorable. And again, these don't come folded. So that's great. But look at him. Isn't he cute? Drill field. They're all from the same company. So there's your drill field. Let's back out. See the butterflies and all the little sunflowers. And here are our colors. Here's the colors. You see that blue in there? Of course, that's going to be in this bucket down here. So super cute. Super, super cute. That is adorable. I love it. Love it. And we got one more out of this 4-pack. And I love it too. I love all of these. I love my little animal paintings. I think they're just cute. Be cute for kids' rooms. You know, playrooms. Fun. Ooh, I like the colors in this one. So again, same toolkit, nothing different. And look at the elephant with the little flower behind his ear. And it's got some grass that looks like there. That's so cute. Then these are these hydrangeas? Is that correct? Is that what those are? Hydrangeas. What they look like to me over here. And he has 25 colors as well, so they all have the 25 colors. Look at that. Isn't that adorable? I just love it. Let's have a look at the drill field. And there it is, very clear. And again, it's the same legend. 1 is 1, 2 is 2, all the way through 8, and 9 through 23 are uppercase letters. And then we have the M and the A at the bottom there for those. But yeah, I think it's cute. And then here are your drills. Look at all those blues. There's the 310. There is some 310 in this. Greens. And here's a look at the colors there from the side. I don't know what the best angle is there to look at those, but look at that. Isn't that adorable? All right. So let's back out a little bit. So we have that one. Here we have the little panda. We have the little donkey. And we have the little deer. And again, these all come in a 4-pack, and I will list it in the description box below. Excuse me. Thank you guys. Excuse me again. So much for coming to join me. I appreciate you being here and spending time with me. And remember, everyone, please show the love of Jesus always. Be kind to others. Give someone a kind word or a smile. You never know what a difference you're going to make in that person even in their lives, because sometimes people are so down and out, but it only takes a little bit of kindness to bring them out of it, guys. So don't forget that. I love you so very, very much. God bless each and every one of you. And until next time, I'll see you. Bye-bye now.